Often you'll hear people talk about factor augmenting technological progress. Factor augmenting progress and technical bias are not the same concept. Okay? Factor augmenting technical progress, people model something like this. They'll say y equals f of a of t times L, b of t times k. And they'll think of A as labor augmenting technical progress and B as capital augmenting technological progress. Turns out they're not really, that doesn't tell you even the direction of technological bias. For example, in the Cobb-Douglas case, A and B really amount to the same thing. That is A, if they're Cobb-Douglas, this would be like A of t L to the alpha, B of t A to the beta, or 1 minus alpha, which would be equal to A to the alpha, B to the t to the 1 minus alpha, times L to the alpha, K to the 1 minus alpha. So these two terms would just combine together. They would act exactly the same way. And in general, depending on the elasticity of substitution, will determine which way these things bias. So if the elasticity of substitution is bigger than 1, then A will be biased toward labor. If the elasticity of substitution is less than 1, B would be biased toward labor. Just flips which way it goes. And when the elasticity of substitution is 1, they're both neutral. Right? This is how it works. And I like to think about technological bias because that kind of is a much simpler way to look at the world.